Facebook. There's a group on Facebook called Please Free Anacletos Patriots Hat from Custody. The reason why this is going on is because of the following. Cleto played a prank on me a few semesters ago. And, you know, I'm just getting back. And he said, I will never, ever get him back. I won't ever. So now, if you look at the pictures and the video, if you look at the pictures in the video, I am slowly torturing the crap out of your hat. Now, don't worry about it. I made sure every surface I put it on was clean. I put Lysol wipes on it. You know, it asked me to take a crack. I let it, but I didn't let it go soon. You know what I'm saying? I had to sodomize the hat because it got loud with me. I had to do a whole bunch of stuff. So, again, you will get your hat back once the Patriots lose, sir. And if you, yes, no. If they lose, then you'll get it back. Just if you want your hat back, you get it back soon. What's in your pocket? He probably took away like my hard drive. He put it like he said. Like I'm telling you right now, you will not get your hat back sooner than possible. You won't. You won't. Now, no, I'm not. Yeah, but I'm not going to. I told you, right? No, I'm not. I said if they lose. What you got in your pocket, sir? What did you got in your pocket, sir?
Make a statement right now. That was you were supposed to say on Facebook. You know?
Yeah, exactly.
Right now,
I said no already.
You can say it right now on the radio. In front of our like 20 listeners.
First of all, aren't you supposed to be studying for your MCAT? Oh, you about to go home now? Okay, cool. What you got in your pocket, son? You want to call security? I'll put that on program right now, son.
Yo,
I got witnesses in the studio, son. No, yo.
I got my computer.
So, Cleo, was really good, son. I don't want this to get in the way of our friendship, son.
I think it's already got in the way.
Nah, son, I'm serious. Nah, so I hadn't said about, oh, thank you, Omar. Omar's come for my protection. Yeah, Omar's in here, so you ain't going nowhere. You ain't going nowhere, son. Yo, but you want to try?
I know that. I'm not that fool.
Okay, somebody remove Omar from the studio, please. He's a liability.
Whoa.
I'm about to get on the
Hold on, before
somebody please remove Omar.
This knife is not sharp whatsoever. This is a practice knife. So please do not call saying this is a random Egyptian dude trying to kill people in the studio. No. No, please.
Yeah.
Please. He goes to City College.
Stop the going on the second.
No, I'm saying. So please don't call in and say,
that's
oh my
good.
God,
That's
this
good.
is what this is what we Like, what is he doing? What is he doing?
Somebody please remove Omar.
Please. Omar,
somebody
end up killing somebody. Don't kill the new guy.
I just got into this movie. I don't need to kill me.
Someone please.
I made him an officer. He don't know what the hell is going on. Sorry, the young lady wants to come in and get something.
No, it's not. That's my laptop. That's my laptop.
Oh.
Someone.
This is our
Anyone?
Oh, there you go. She's just saying hi. Hi and bye.
Anyone?
Anyone
remove Omar.